Hello. Today, let's unbox my grandmother's new smartphone, iPhone 13, midnight color with 128GB memory in model code A2633. Last time I unboxed and tested the Apple power adapter, because nowadays iPhones are sold without a charger. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video, but for now, let's hear some background music and let's unpack this iPhone 13.